Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually remove your theme or themes from your WordPress. So now, make sure that you are on your WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com and logging in, and then wordpress.com/wp-admin, and then logging in by using your username and password. Now, as you can see, that is the dashboard that I am having right now. Basically, what you have to do is go to here to appearance and then to your themes. First of all, let's check the site, and that's how my theme looks like. So what I have to do, for example, if I wanted to replace this theme with something else, I can just activate another one, and like that I replace my theme with a new one, so it will be completely different. As you can see, of course the data which will be the same because it's my data, so it won't be deleted, but the look of the website will change. So let's change it again, for example this one, and let's see. Look here, as you could see, it's completely different. Let's say, for example, that you have downloaded a template and you wanted to delete it. How you can do it? Basically, these four templates that are already in WordPress, these four templates, that is 2016, 2019, 2017, 2020. You can't actually delete them from your WordPress. It will be here for permanently. But if you download some other themes, for example a new, and you searched for new themes and you downloaded them, you will have the third option, which is delete themes permanently. So yeah guys, so once again, if you have these four themes, you can't delete them, but you have any other theme that is not a cycle of 2016, 2019, 2017, 2020, it you will have the ability to delete it. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.